What is a certified pre-owned (CPO) car warranty? Have you ever wondered what a certified pre-owned car warranty really means? If you are a teenager looking to buy your first car, understanding this warranty can be super helpful. A certified pre-owned car warranty is a special type of warranty that comes with used cars that have been inspected and certified by the manufacturer or an authorized dealer. This means the car has gone through a thorough check to ensure it meets specific quality standards. When you buy a certified pre-owned car, you often get more than just the car itself. This warranty usually extends the protection beyond the original new car warranty. It often covers important parts like the engine and transmission, which is known as the powertrain warranty. In some cases, it may also include bumper-to-bumper coverage for many other parts of the car. However, the details can vary depending on the manufacturer's program, so it is essential to read the fine print. Typically, certified pre-owned warranties start after the original new car warranty ends. They can last for 1 to 2 years or even longer. Some warranties can cover the car for up to 7 years or 100,000 miles from the original purchase date. This means the warranty is based on the car's age and mileage, not how long you own it. Many certified pre-owned warranties also come with extras like roadside assistance, which can be a lifesaver if you ever find yourself in a tough spot. Some programs even offer free maintenance for a limited time or special financing options, making it easier for young drivers to manage costs. Before a car is certified, it goes through a detailed inspection by trained technicians. They check many parts of the vehicle and conduct a road test. If any problems are found, they are repaired to meet the manufacturer's standards. This inspection helps ensure the car is in good condition, giving buyers more confidence compared to purchasing a regular used car without certification. For teenagers and young drivers, a certified pre-owned car warranty can be a helpful safety net. If something goes wrong with the car's major systems while the warranty is active, repairs might be covered. This can save you money and reduce stress, especially when you are just starting out with car ownership. However, it is important to note that certified pre-owned cars usually cost more than regular used cars. This is because of the added inspection and warranty coverage. So, when considering your options, make sure to weigh the benefits against the price difference compared to non-certified used cars. In essence, a certified pre-owned car warranty is a promise from the manufacturer or dealer that the used car meets certain quality standards. For teens learning about car ownership and maintenance, choosing a certified pre-owned car can be a smart way to get a reliable vehicle with extra protection. Just remember to understand the terms of the warranty and consider the overall cost.